Hello everyone. Welcome to English StoryCraft. This is the place where stories and learning English come together. We'll share fun stories that will help you with your English. So, get ready to listen, enjoy, and learn. Let's start our story time.
Scarlett's rainy day. It's a rainy morning in Parksville. Scarlett wakes up and hears the raindrops on her window. Tap, 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 they go. She runs to the window and watches the rain. The street is wet, and people have umbrellas. Scarlett wants to go outside, but she knows she needs the right clothes. She opens her wardrobe and looks inside.
I need my raincoat,
She says, pulling out a bright yellow raincoat. She puts it on. Next, she finds her rain boots. They are blue with little hearts on them. She loves her boots because they make a funny squish sound in the puddles. Finally, she takes her umbrella. It's pink with white spots. Scarlett's mom smiles when she sees her.
You look ready for the rain.
She says. Outside, Scarlett jumps in the puddles. Splash, splash. The water splashes everywhere, but Scarlett stays dry. She sees a worm on the pavement.
Hello, little worm.
She says. The worm wiggles, and Scarlett giggles. After playing for a while, she goes back inside. She hangs her wet clothes and sits by the window, sipping warm cocoa her mom made for her. Scarlett thinks,
Rainy days can be fun too.
Scarlett's adventures on a rainy day remain as delightful as before.
Thanks for joining us today at English StoryCraft. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Each story is a step closer to mastering English. See you next time.